Welcome back to part 2 of the Axe Eye Drift. So we're forged, we're roughly ground, we're pretty close to the dimension we wanted, but we're going to use that other piece we were talking about as our final drift, our final shape. This is to rough out our shape of the Axe Eye Drift to be able to handle the axe and go from there. We've got a little bit more smoothing and grinding to do, and then we will do a heat treat, even though that's not necessary because already this is a hard piece of metal. This is an S series, so it's air hardened. It can also be oil hardened as well. But anyway, when it's all said and done, this is going to have some heat on it. So we're going to go ahead and sand it up a little bit more, clean it up, straighten it up. Got a few places where we need to make sure it's good and straight. And then that'll be the end of it.
So there we have it, our completed Axe Eye Drift, all set, ground up, finished off, and ready to go. He's gonna have our touch marks set right in there. It's all ready to go. Stay tuned, we're gonna be making a lot of axes and some cool projects with this thing. Thank you guys so much for coming in and joining us in on this project. It was a great build, had fun. Get out to your shop and make one. Axes, I've heard, are a lot of fun, and stay tuned because we are going to be making some axes with this thing. Stay tuned for all the fun projects and stuff that will be around. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, hit the notification bell so you're alerted every single time we have new content coming out. We have our Tuesday tool video, which you're watching right now, and every Thursday evening at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have our live streams. Be sure to stick around for that. Go check out all the other videos and all the other fun stuff going on. All kinds of stuff is going to be coming up. We're just finishing up right now with some farm stuff, so farm videos will be out shortly. Thank you guys again so much. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.